Liverpool was a major port for the transatlantic slave trade. From the late 1600s until its abolition in 1807, Liverpool played a huge part and was one of the world's darkest eras. The first Liverpool slave ship was called the Liverpool Merchant, sailing from here on the 3rd of October 1699 and arriving in Barbados on the 18th of September 1700. The Liverpool Merchant had 220 enslaved Africans on board. Now we're only going to scratch the surface in this short video, but over 5,000 sailing voyages started here in Liverpool, making their way across the Atlantic. The reasons why Liverpool dominated the slave trade is unknown, with some historians suggesting that city merchants were being pushed out of other transatlantic trades such as sugar and cotton, so they turned their hands to the transportation of enslaved Africans to make their money. Only coming into the city certainly paved the way for the city we see today. From the 1750s, around 50 ships a year were leaving these docks. That number had doubled by the 1770s, and by the 1780s, around 3/4 of all slave ships were leaving from here in Liverpool. That's 1.5 million enslaved Africans leaving from these docks, half of the 3 million that were transported. As I said before, this video is only going to scratch the surface. There's still some Liverpool pioneers like Edward Ruston we're going to take a look at. Hopefully we'll do a video on him soon, one of Liverpool's greatest sons. From 1700 until 1820, at least 25 Liverpool city mayors were closely involved in the slave trade, with money gained from that used to build the town hall after the original was damaged by fire. Short walk to the back of the town hall and you come to exchange flags. This is where the merchants of Liverpool would carry out their business in open air. Many were closely involved in the slave trade. Exchange flags takes its name from the swapping of business cards by the merchants. On the business cards, the logo will be on there, which will be the flag of each slave owner's ship. Many think that this monument in the middle is for the slave trade, but it's not. It's prisoners from Nelson's battles. This is Our Lady in St Nicholas's Church. As you can see, the entrance has some emblems of the slave trade on there. There's a slave, a sun, a cotton flower. In fact, the ship on the top of the spire is a golden slave ship. In the corner of this churchyard used to be a little coffee house, and this used to auction off shackles. Merchants would buy these. The last recorded ship to leave Liverpool was in July 1807, the Kitty Aurelia, under Liverpool captain Hugh Crone. This is said to be the final slave ship that left our port. It's almost safe to say that Liverpool wouldn't be the city it is today without its involvement in the slave trade. The National Slaving Museum is situated just off the Albert Dock. It's an amazing place to visit and puts everything into perspective.
Remains unknown.